Hey buddies, in 2025 there's a Lightbox for every type of artist, from portable USB pads to large format studio panels. Let's break down the top contenders so you can find the one that lights up your process. The Huion L4S is an ultra-thin, lightweight tracing pad designed for maximum portability. Its A4 size fits neatly on any desk, and with stepless brightness control up to 1100 lux, it's bright enough for most tracing tasks. The USB-powered setup means you can run it from a power bank, laptop, or wall adapter, perfect for artists on the move. And the included artist glove is a thoughtful bonus to reduce smudging and hand friction. If you need a lightweight, no-fuss light pad that slips easily into your backpack, this one delivers. Check the description below for the best price and bundle details. This Lightbox blends professional-grade performance with portable flexibility. The Kaiser Slimlite Plano offers a high CRI, 95+, 5000K daylight-balanced LED panel in an ultra-slim aluminum frame, delivering even illumination and excellent color accuracy. What sets it apart is the built-in rechargeable battery, giving you up to 5 hours of cordless use on a single charge. It includes a USB cable and charging adapter for dual power options. If you need battery-powered performance with pro-level brightness, this one's built for travel and studio alike. Tap the link in the description for pricing and availability. With a 17 by 12 inch lit area, the LightPad 940LX is built for creators who need room to work. It features adjustable brightness from 1000 to 5000 lux and a durable double-layered acrylic surface that stays cool and distributes light evenly. The slim profile, UV-free LED lights, and aluminum frame make it ideal for everything from illustration to quilting. If you're looking for a versatile, mid-sized light pad that balances brightness, durability, and working space, this one's a sweet spot. Check the description below for current deals and pro bundles. Don't underestimate this budget pick. It's slim, bright, and incredibly easy to use. The LitEnergy light pad offers adjustable brightness up to 4000 lux, all in an ultra-thin A4 format. It's powered by USB and features ruler guides on the surface for added precision. Artists, crafters, and hobbyists will love its featherlight build and flicker-free illumination, making it a great option for sketching, tattoo stencils, and animation. If you're just starting out or want a backup light pad without breaking the bank, this one's an absolute steal. Check the description below for pricing and color options. From compact and affordable to oversized and professional, these 5 Lightboxes cater to every workflow, budget, and creative need. Whether you're tracing tiny line work on the go or drafting large format blueprints in the studio, there's a clear winner based on how you create. Hit the description below for direct links, updated specs, and the best pricing available today. And if this guide lit up your options, give it a like, subscribe for more creative gear guides, and drop a comment. What are you tracing next?